G'day and welcome back to the
Savannah and Cody cooking show.
And today we're making
chocolate mousse.
Woohoo! It's supposed to be pretty good, all natural, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. What we've got is adult supervision because we're boiling water. So we've got some water boiling here in the background and I have placed eggs in the boiling water and they're going to be in there for about 10 minutes. Now, we want them in there because we want them really hard boiled. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Cool. So we're just going to wait 10 minutes, aren't we?
Yeah.
So this is where we go. A few moments
later.
A few moments later.
And we're back.
And the eggs are boiled. What we've done is we've drained the hot water out under adult supervision. We've placed them in a little bit of cool water so that they can cool down a little bit. And now we're gonna peel them. Cool, all right, bringing them over here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna teach Savannah how to peel an egg. All right, now many ways you can peel an egg. And I find the easiest is if I take it and I'm gonna tap it on the side all the way around and get that shell broken up. We're not gonna do any fancy tricks like blow it out or any cool things, but we're gonna do that. So, crack, break that shell, keep breaking it.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Once you got the first bit, it's good.
Because you know what level of pressure you have to do to break it.
Exactly.
I think we're good.
Good, and then what you're gonna do is just gonna try to peel that off and it'll eventually come in some big chunks.
It's like,
Good.
it feels like it's like not coming off.
It will.
There we go. There we go.
Good.
Big chunk came off.
All right, I'm gonna rinse it under some water so we're gonna make sure no shells are in.
Ah, I can see the yolk. Ah.
Good, and we've got, how many eggs?
We have 6.
6, so that's it. We cracked a couple before. All right, good.
Fresh.
Okay, so to make this mousse, we're gonna measure a couple of things out. So we've got our trusty little measuring scale.
They're so cute in that bowl.
They are. And we're gonna obviously blend this up. So we're just gonna put it all in our processor, our Vitamix, what we've got. You can use sort of any sort of processor, blender or whatever, don't you? Yeah. We're gonna zero that out just because I always like doing that. So we're gonna pop all the eggs in there.
They're slippery.
It's all right, one at a time. Then the next thing we're gonna add is some maple syrup. And we're gonna add 30 grams of maple syrup. Do you wanna add the 30 grams? So you're gonna keep going till that says
30.
30.
I'm gonna be a mathematician here.
All right, nice and gentle, nice and gentle.
It says 57.
Whoa, okay, we got a little bit too much. But it's a bit hard to put that back, so we're just gonna have to do a double serve. It might be a bit sweeter than normal. That's okay, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, next, what are we making again?
We're making chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse, so we need some chocolate, don't we?
Yeah.
Right, and we're gonna use cacao powder. You probably can't see it because the bag's in a bag. We are gonna use 2 tablespoons. Nice big heaped tablespoons, hey?
Yeah.
So 1 nice big generous scoop. 2 nice big generous scoops.
That's a lot.
That is a lot.
That's too much.
Nah, but then it's gonna be chocolatey.
True.
Cool. And then what we're also gonna do is we want this to be a bit of higher protein, don't we? I know we've got protein from the egg and we've got protein from protein powder, okay? We're not using one today, but you could use a non-dairy sourced protein. We're also gonna add yogurt to it, aren't we? We're using a dairy-free yogurt because we do have someone in the household that is dairy-free. And if we wanted to make it totally dairy-free, we'd use a pea protein or some sort of vegetarian protein, but we didn't have a chocolate one of them.
Ta-da!
So unfortunately, the dairy-free person in the household can't have this one, can they?
No.
No, but that's okay. That's more for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add 3 servings. Now looking on the back of this, 30 grams is a serving of this protein powder, and that's 3 level scoops. So they've got a little scoop that's involved. And we're gonna add 3 servings. So if 1 serving is 3 scoops, how many scoops do we need for 3 servings?
9.
9, that's right. So 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
no, that's 7.
That's 7, but 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good, so that's all our scoops of that. And then Quick, grab another spoon. We're gonna need 170 grams of yogurt, a natural yogurt or something like that. We're obviously using a coconut one because that's what we have in the household. So can you do 170 grams of yogurt in there? So scoop it out, dump it in. Good, how much was that? 56?
56.
Good.
89.
That's it.
That's 135. How much was it again?
170. Oh, close enough.
163. We have 100.
Yeah, 175. That's pretty close, isn't it?
We're just guessing.
Close.
We've done this before.
Close enough, near enough. No, that's it. None of the recipes that we ever do have we ever tried before, have we?
No.
We're very much amateur. All right. So, because we haven't done a lot of these before, we hope that they don't blow up in our face, don't we?
Yeah. That'd be awful.
It would be awful. Now, hopefully Cody's got the lid on properly.
Lift it back up. And
Oh no, it doesn't look like I do I?
No.
Click,
This side.
click. There we go. Because otherwise we'd have stuff going everywhere, wouldn't we?
Just hold it on.
Hold that one on
Yeah,
while I do it.
so it doesn't explode in our faces.
Okay, so I hold it like this, and we make sure the blender is on. Okay, and we are.
Oh, wow.
So we'll be back in a minute once we've blended this out.
A few moments later.
Let's check this out. Now, the mixture is a little dry, so we had to actually take a few goes at it. And what we did is we just got a big spoon and mixed it up a little bit more. And the other little tip that I would say is we probably needed to what? Chop the eggs before we put them in.
Yeah.
But it eventually got there. And that
Oh.
is looking like a nice consistency, isn't it?
Yeah. That's
Yeah, we can pour it out and show the people the consistency. Look at that for chocolate mousse. And it actually smells very moussey, doesn't it? Doesn't smell eggy, does it?
Nah.
Which admittedly was our concern, wasn't it? We thought this was going to be a very eggy type of dessert when you got 6 boiled eggs. Wow, look at this.
I can smell the protein.
Let's take a little taste test in here. So let's get the spoon in. All right, you ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
That is so good.
That's pretty creamy, isn't it? Yeah? All right, that's our high protein chocolate mousse. We'll whack the macros in here somewhere. You'll be able to see a bit about what they are. We punched it in pretty good, low calorie, high protein, makes probably 3 servings. You could maybe get 4 out of it. So that's pretty good. All right, that's the
Savannah and Cody cooking show.
till next time.